Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Now please do not mind my voice, you guys. I'm going through very bad cold and cough since the past few days and I'm taking a lot of time to heal, so please do not mind my voice. Anywho, in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to detangle your hair, and I'm going to be reviewing this new launch by Mamaearth. This is their Rice Wonder Water. This contains rice water and keratin, and the reason why I chose to review this, the reason why I bought this in the first place, is because it's got this extraordinary claim of detangling your hair in just 7 seconds. It claims to completely detangle your hair in just 7 seconds, and apart from that it also claims to make your hair frizz free, more manageable, and it promises to add a shine to your hair, and in the long run if you keep using it, it also helps to strengthen your hair. So those are all of the claims, and I'm gonna be testing this product out on the detangling and the shine factor today. So I just washed my hair like an hour and a half ago. It's like half dried and half wet. This is exactly when I apply a hair serum. So before I begin with the demo and testing out the product, let me just comb my hair with my hands. As you can see, I do have a lot of knots on this side, and on this side, yep, we do have a lot of knots going on. Even if I use like a wide tooth comb, it sort of gets stuck. So I'm going to be applying this Rice Wonder Water on this side of my hair first and wait for about 7 seconds, and then I'm going to try to detangle my hair and see if it has actually helped to remove all of the knots from my hair. So I'm just going to take a few pumps. I'm going to rub it in between my palms and my fingers and run this through my hair and really work the serum in my hair. Now I'm going to wait for about 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now it's time to use the wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. It slided so smoothly, oh my god. As you can see, it's sliding so smoothly. I have absolutely no knots left in my hair. Oh my god, this product really worked like magic in just 7 seconds. It's really hard for me to believe that it worked in just 7 seconds, so I'm gonna try it once again on this side of my hair. Again, I'm just taking a few pumps. And I'm gonna count to 7 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's take the second test. It's gliding really smoothly, you guys. You guys saw for yourself how smoothly the comb ran through my hair and how nicely all of the knots from my hair were removed with the help of this serum. It's like a magical product which works in just 7 seconds in removing all of the tangles from your hair, and it's made my hair really manageable, tangle free, and sort of frizz free as well. And if I talk about the shine, it's definitely made my hair look a lot more shiny than before, and the best part is that it did not really weigh my hair down. Like with the help of other serums that I use, they sort of weigh my hair down, they make my hair really chapta and all of that, but this sort of hasn't really done that. It's made my hair look a little voluminous and a little bouncy, so I love how it's improved the texture of my hair and the overall appearance of my hair. So overall, I'm really impressed with this Mamaearth Rice Wonder Water. I think it's a product that everyone should have, everyone must try. And in case if you want to try this, then it's available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart. You can also shop it from Mamaearth's website or from their app. And if you want to save on some money, you can use my coupon code, that is RIA2021, to you get a 20% off. I highly recommend you shop from Mamaearth's website because every single time that you place an order on their website, they'll link your order to a tree that they plant, and they have this initiative of planting more than 1 million trees by the end of 2025. So by placing orders directly from their website, you'll be able to be a part of this initiative. So that is my first impressions and review of this Mamaearth Rice Wonder Water. I really love how this product worked for me. I really love what it did to my hair, and I'm sure to be using it so much more often. So that was my video for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.